If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To use certain security features in Acrobat, like certificate encryption, you must create a digital ID. A digital ID proves the identity of a user when communicating electronically. A digital ID usually contains a name, email address, serial number, and an expiration date. A digital ID can be used to create a digital signature. Digital IDs also let you decrypt encrypted PDFs. A digital signature contains two keys. One key, the public key, digitally locks or encrypts data. The other key, the private key, unlocks or decrypts the data the public key locks. This means you must keep the private key secure and safe because it decrypts the encrypted information. You can share the public key. For example, you use the private key to digitally sign documents to prove you are the individual signing. You use the public key within certificates you distribute to others to validate your signature or identity. To acquire a digital ID, either purchase one from a third-party vendor or create a self-signed ID. You can use self-signed IDs for personal or small business use between people with established mutual trust. IDs purchased from third-party vendors, called certificate authorities, verify your identity to strangers and are used by professionals and major corporations. These IDs use a trusted third party to verify the authenticity of the digital ID you purchase. Many people who use Acrobat professionally to sign and encrypt sensitive data will need to purchase a digital ID from a certificate authority to digitally sign documents and use certificates. To create a self-signed digital ID or to register a purchased third-party digital ID in Acrobat, launch Acrobat, click the hamburger menu button, and then select the Preferences command from the menu to open the Preferences dialog box. Then select the Signatures category at the left side of the dialog box to show the digital signature preferences. Next, click the More button in the Identities and Trusted Certificates section to launch the Digital ID and Trusted Certificate Settings dialog box and display Digital ID settings. Finally, click the Add ID button at the top of the dialog box to launch the Add Digital ID dialog box. Then use this dialog box to create a self-signed digital ID or add an existing digital ID you purchased. Simply answer the questions on each screen of the wizard and click the Next button until you finish. On the last screen, click the Finish button to add the digital signature file to the list shown in the Digital ID and Trusted Certificate Settings dialog box. If you are creating and using a self-signed certificate, also make a backup copy of the digital ID file, as if the digital ID file becomes lost or corrupted, you cannot use that file to add signatures. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.